Hello, this video will explain how to change a patient name on the HearForm home screen so that it does not negatively impact any documents or folders that you've created for that patient. For example, look over to the right of this screen. Your version of HearForm may not appear this way. This is a slightly different view, but I just want you to see that I can see the documents and folders that were previously created for Jennifer Morgan. I can click a button called Open Folder, and it opens the folder right there. I can go up a level, as you can see, by hitting the word Documents and see all of those folders that were created for that patient. If you happen to have a button here called Open Parent instead of just Open Folder, then you can go right to that one level higher right there. But if I change the patient's name from Jennifer Morgan to Jennifer Smith, then I'm going to get some errors or not be able to see things. And right now I'm getting an error, and if I were to close the program and come back into it, I wouldn't see these documents anymore. For example, if I try to click Open Folder now, right there, it no longer opens the folder. So the trick is to do everything in this particular order. I'm going to put this back now to Jennifer Morgan. The first thing you want to do is not change the patient's name here, but to change the name of the directory. So to do that, I could click, again, Open Folder, which opens the folder that has all of Jennifer's documents in it, and then go up one level, either by clicking the up button here, or that other area here, where I can just click the word Documents, if in fact that's what your parent directory is called. So I could click the Open Folder, but it might be easier if you have an Open Parent button, just to click that button there. Now, why would I do that? Because then it brings me to a list of all the documents and all the directories that are stored in the system on a shared drive, for example. In this case, I happen to have them on my C drive instead of a shared drive. But I want to scroll down now by clicking one of those directories, just click any one, and then I'm going to type M, and then scroll the rest of the way and find my Morgans. So there's Jennifer right there. I happen to have two of them. But I'm going to choose this one here. I think, yeah, she's record number 1 right there next to her on the right-hand side of her name. So it's this one right here. And what I would do then is I would come over here and notice there's no space after her last name. It's a comma, no space, Jennifer dash, and her unique identifier number we call the key. I'm going to rename this first. That's the trick. So I would rename it Smith Jennifer. I'm going to temporarily break that relationship again back on the home screen. I have to scroll down and see that it auto-sorted. So there's Jennifer Smith. But I can, now that I've renamed the directory or folder here, I can close that window. And then I can go ahead, and again, if I try to open the folder here now, it won't open because there is no folder for Jennifer Morgan anymore. Instead, I can change it to Jennifer Smith, click off to the side, and now I can open that folder because there is a relationship or a connection between the two. Hopefully that will help you to do everything in the right order. First change the folder name and then change the patient name on the home screen. Thanks for watching.